Inkantolo yezisebenzi isichithile isicelo se-SABC sokuthi ihlehlise isinqumo sokuqokwa kwezisebenzi engamashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili kulenhlangano. I-SABC ithi laba baqashwa ngendlela engafanele ngenkathi kusaphethe lowo owayebhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke uHlaudi Motsoeneng. I-SABC isemukeleke lesinqumo yathi siwumkhombandlela wokuthi lolu daba kumele luphathwe kanjani.
The order reads as follows. 1. The main application is dismissed. 2. There is no order as to costs in relation to the main application. 3. The 26th respondent's counter application is dismissed. 4. The 26th respondent is to pay the costs associated with the counter application.
Imbangela yalesinqumo ngokuthi umsakazeli womphakathi wafaka isicelo enkantolo ufuna ukuthi kuhoxiswe ukuqashwa kwalezisebenzi njengoba ukholelwa ukuthi kwakungekho emthethweni. uVanara uthi beyi-SABC beneme ngesinqumo salenkantolo.
Isinqumo senkantolo namhlanje nangona singasinikanga lento besiyoyicela enkundleni ndonwabe kakhulu siso ngoba sisinika umgaqo esimele ukulandela thina si-SABC si addresse ingxaki enkulu esijongene nayo ngaphandleni kokuphula umthetho.
Lenhloko yezomthetho ayithandanga ukucacisa ngeinyathelo ezothathwa umsakazeli womphakathi ngemva kwalesinqumo senkantolo. iBhemawu iphawulile ngalesinqumo.
We are, of course, ecstatic about this decision. Those employees did not appoint themselves. There was, in certain instances, employees that was appointed externally that did not know about any process of the SABC. So we are really glad that justice has been done in this instance.
uVanara uphinde waphawula ngelinye icala njengoba bemangalelwe ngesinye seSABC okwatholakala ukuthi sineyikhundla ezimbili ye-SABC waphetha ngokuthi inkantolo ivunile i-SABC yaseyinquma ukuthi lesisebenzi sikhokhe indleko zokuhlala kwecala.